This morning on The Blend, we have with us attorney Jamie White with White Law. Jamie, thanks so much for joining us this morning.
Thanks for having me, Bob.
So I know that you made a generous donation this week to the Sparrow Foundation. Tell me why you gave $10,000. That's great. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. We're very happy to do it. We're very grateful to be members of this community and be in a position to do that. And we felt that the sacrifices the healthcare workers are making are just extraordinary. We equate them to what we see from our military. They're on the front lines, they're risking their lives, and a lot of them are in a position that they never thought they would have to take on, but they're there and they're doing it, and we just wanted to show our gratitude.
Well, we appreciate that. I'm curious what you think the virus's impact is going to have on the practice of law.
Well, I can tell you it's going to be profound. We're already seeing law firms cut back on their hiring and change the way they do things. The days of old of 20 lawyers hanging outside a conference room in line waiting to go talk to a judge or an official for 5 minutes, billing the client for 2 hours of travel, those days are over. I do think there will be some benefits to the client. I think matters will be more accessible to them. They'll be more affordable to them. And this is something that we're excited about. We've prepared for the remote practice of law for a long time, not because of any pandemic. We just felt that it would be the most efficient way to deliver the product to the client.
Talk a little bit about the challenges you see that the community is going to face because of the virus.
That piece is troubling. And we're already seeing enormous challenges from people that we represent. We're getting calls that we never received before. People who are not stealing to get drugs, they're not stealing for greed, they're stealing food. People that have never gotten in trouble before. So, we're ramping up our bankruptcy practice. We hope that people don't find themselves in that situation, but we certainly want to be there to assist those who may have that need and are under those pressures.
And real quick, Jamie, do you think the judicial system is going to operate differently?
I do. I think that consistent with what I said about the accessibility, I think the judges are going to have to adapt as well. And those adaptations will be challenging for some judges and less challenging for others. But I think at the end of the day, the legal system will be better as a result of this.
Well, we're going to put your information at the bottom of the screen. Thanks so much for taking time out, Jamie, and thanks again for your donation.
Thanks for having me. You're welcome. My pleasure.